Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. How is everybody doing today? This morning, I'm going to be making some tomato chutney. Every state had different kind of tomato chutney with different kind of flavors. So mine I'm making today is South Indian tomato chutney. We can use this chutney with is very good with the actually khichdi, keema and tomato ki chutney. Three things goes together very well. Or you can eat with anything, all the vegetarian dishes. This is just chutney, so you can use with anything. Some upma, tomato ki chutney. It goes with a lot of things. So let's go see what all the ingredients we needed to make this tomato ki chutney. Okay, to make tomato chutney, of course you need tomatoes. I have almost like 2 pounds of tomatoes. I chop them into small pieces, cubes, and we have some mustard seeds. You need some zira, cumin seeds, some red pepper, 2 spoons, and half a spoon is turmeric, and 1 spoon zira, cumin powder. 1 spoon is dhania powder, coriander powder, and 2 spoons is salt. According to your taste, you can put it. This is I have some chana dal and some urad dal inside. So I have both dals inside. So I'm putting 1 cup. So chana dal and each 1 teaspoon. Let's go make this. Okay. Okay. We'll put a little bit of oil. And add all these tomatoes. And we're going to add the turmeric. And dhania powder, zira powder, cumin powder, and salt, and red pepper. And we're going to stir it, mix it. It's hot. And we're gonna let it cook until it gets softer. Okay, we'll come back in a little bit later on and check them. Okay, our tomatoes are cooked and they're soft. See, they're all soft, mushy. So we're gonna move this away from the stove, and then we'll add some oil. You have to add some oil generously. Okay, tomato chutney takes a little bit more oil. There's 2 main ingredients I forgot to tell you. Some garlic, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. We'll put it there. And some red pepper, and I'll fry them a little bit. Smells so good already. Okay. Now we're gonna add cumin powder, cumin seeds, sorry, and these dals. The mustard seeds. Until it gets like a little bit of brown, not like important, very brown, but changes the color. You have to wait until the mustard seeds start cracking. If the mustard seed is not cracked properly, the flavor is going to be completely changed. It's not going to be the same flavor. See, it's cracking now, I can hear them. Okay, I'm going to turn the stove off and leave it for a little while until it gets cold. Okay, we're going to take hand blender. We blend these tomatoes. Okay friends, our tadka is cold and we are going to be grinding this coarsely, not very softly, and putting it in our okay. We're also gonna add this curry leaves to the tomatoes paste. Okay, let's grind this. See, it's coarsely grinded. And put everything in here. We'll add these things in there. Cook for a few minutes, so chutney will be ready. Okay, it's been cooking for almost 5 to 6 minutes. Our tomato chutney is ready. Okay friends, our tomato chutney is ready. It looks so beautiful, and I tasted it's very good. It's sour because I use the tomatoes, sour kind of tomatoes, not the salad tomatoes. Salad tomatoes are sweet, so for the chutney you usually take this little bit of sour kind of tomatoes. And also you can use some of the green tomatoes, or maybe you can make completely with the green tomatoes too. That's also good. Okay. If you like my videos, please click like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click that little bell icon. If you press that, and you will get the notification whenever I upload the new videos. And I'm uploading every Sunday one video. So okay, see you next Sunday. Bye.